Welcome to Cam's Ninja Foodi Cooking Tips Part 3. In today's show, Cam will be making chips and samosas with the Ninja Foodi in air fryer mode.
We're going to make chips and samosas. These are frozen samosas, chicken samosas, just from the store. So they're just sitting there, and then I've just got some potatoes, which I'm just going to cut up into chips. So I've got them all in here, and then all we're going to do is we're going to soak them in water for a little while. Just to get the starch off. There we go. So we're going to lightly season with a little bit of olive oil. And salt and pepper. And then what we're doing is we're using the tray this time, which is not the metally thing, the silver metally thing, but the actual base tray, which just goes straight into the deep fat fry, well, the air fry. So put those in like that, and hopefully that'll be okay. Look at that. Yep, magnificent. Let's just top that off a bit more salt, a bit more pepper. And that should make them go a little bit crispy. Perfect. Bought this from the pound shop for £1. Okay, it's squared, it doesn't fit. So what I'm going to do is, don't know if this will work, is I'm going to cut round it. And see if it works. Right, let's go. Because I don't want to put the samosas on top of the chips. There you go. Looks about right. Let's try it. It might go horribly wrong, but we don't know until we try. This is the nice thing about experimenting with an air fryer. So let's pop these on top. We're just going to put 6 in. We'll put the rest in a little bit later. We're going to take our chips, or French fries, as wonderful Americans call it. Oh, somebody's unplugged me. Let it plug back in. Switch on. There we have it. And then we're going to close it up, and we're going to say, let's go crisp. Let's go 8 minutes. 6 minutes. 6 minutes, and then we're going to give it a stir, and then we'll come back. Okay, it's just come to a grinding halt. We're going to check. Okay, they look undone still. So we're going to stick them on for another 10 minutes. Set it off again. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop it. And then I'm going to flip the chips a little bit. So let me just get the samosas out. They're quite warm. you can see the chips are doing. But what they need is I think, a little bit of a shake and back. Give the chips a little bit of a stir. Then we're going to put back, and then we're going to put the samosas back, and then it's all going to go back in. There we go. There. And then back into the fryer it goes, and we're going to go. And then just let it go for the rest of the time. 10 seconds to go. And this could be my first fail with a Ninja because I've tried to do two things at once, so let's see if this works. I've got a plan B, I think. So it's just cooling down. And I'll pull the plug, see what we've got. Ready? It's switched off. And it's the big reveal. Oh, okay. So the samosas are browning and the chips are browning. So they just need flipping, I think. So let's just flip them. And just give them a few more minutes. There you go. Come back in 5. So we've got 10 seconds left. 8 seconds. My worry is that they're not going to brown, or they're going to burst, one or the other, or both. So let's see what happens with these things. So it's just cooling down, and it is done. There we go. So let's careful because it's a little bit warm. Okay, all right. So they look brown. They're cooked. So let's lift them off. They still look a little bit pale, but obviously they're not going to go as brown as something. So maybe if I'd have coated them in a little bit of oil, then they may have got a little bit browner. Let's just see if this works. And the chips look, so the chips look brown on the edge, so I think these just need a few more minutes. So I'll give them a stir. Give them a stir and give them a minute. Give them 3. Because I think they're cooked, but they just need browning now. Perfect. So I've just taken a bite out of one. Which one was it? It was this. So it's okay, it's cooked. Looks nice enough. It's crunchy. See the steam coming off it. But for this next batch, what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to get my spraying light, and I'm just going to give them a quick oiling. Very light. Ooh, just squeeze myself in the face. Like so. It's a couple of sprays of oil. You can see the actual oil on there. And then we're going to lob them in for 10 minutes straight. But this is on a higher elevation, and it might let them cook a little bit better. It might brown them off a little bit more than these. So I'm going to put them in a second. So the chips are done, I think. So, sorry, I'm just still eating the samosas very hot. They're very nice. So, let's take a look. See what the extra 3 minutes did for the chips. Right, now we're getting there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one out and test it. Make sure it's done. Just looks so done. It's hot. but it's not done. So again, I'm going to close it up. I'm actually going to go for a bake option, so they cook on the inside. So let's give that a go. I'm not going to keep it in there for 15 minutes. I'll give it 5 minutes and then see if that cooks the insides. So we're just coming up to 5 extra minutes, and there we go. So we're going to switch it off here and then do the reveal and see what the chips look like. Hopefully cooked this time, a little bit better. So there we go. Oh, now they look burnt. So let's take a look at them in the plate. Let's give them a bit of a stir. You know something, I fancy 1 more minute in there. But air crisping. So let's just stick it back in for 1 more minute. This is where you get to play 2 minutes. Also, I've got better grippers, so I can pick it up. There we go. It's cooling down. That's the extra couple of minutes. Right, much better. Okay, so let's whip these out. Get them onto a plate. And that can go in the side. Okay, they look nicer. So, a bit of vinegar, got half the vinegar. And salt. There we go. Now let us try one, see if they're cooked. Cook. All good.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like it and follow me, and if I get more than 1000 likes then I will make more. My advice to anyone watching this is to go to Costco today or go online and buy one of these fantastic machines that any kitchen shouldn't be without. Happy eating!